Welcome back to my channel. So today I received my Boxycharm on yesterday for the month of July. Here's what I have. I also have the premium box coming. I have not received it yet. I just updated my subscription to add the premium. I used to have the Luxe box. I stopped that about a year ago. So I just started my boxes back up. So when I receive that box, I'll be sharing with you all what I received. I know it's an Anastasia takeover box. I wasn't able to pick because I waited to the last minute to actually reactivate that update on my subscription. But I will be sharing with you all my base box and what I received. So in this base box for July, the theme is Fantasy, which is a pink usual card they give us with the product descriptions, on the back of the card. So now for my choice for July, I was able to pick this. I will butcher this name. Elamsiqua. I don't know if that's even right, but I chose this palette, this eyeshadow palette, because I do not have any eyeshadows. I'm not gonna say products. I'm sorry, because I do have like the primer veils and stuff like that from previous Boxycharm boxes, but I did select this eyeshadow palette because it was interesting to me because I do not have any eyeshadow palettes from this collection in my eyeshadow collection, if that makes sense. But I like these colors. These eyeshadows look pretty good, but these are what the colors look like. I don't want to bend it too far. It's like a cardboard and then rip it. So these are what the shadows look like. Kind of on the neutral mauve light side colors. I like these colors. They're pretty much like everyday office looks. I can see myself using this palette maybe like on a good bit because of the lighter neutral tones in this palette. But it says express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique nude looks, from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye. And this retails for $50. Like I said, I'm looking forward to this. And I'll be doing a video using this eyeshadow palette to see how it performs and let you guys know. But I was really looking forward to this eyeshadow palette because, like I said, I do not own any product from, well, not product. I'm sorry, I keep saying that. Something's in my eye. I do not have any eyeshadow palettes. Let's make that clear. In my collection from the brand. Okay, the next thing I received is the Beauty Bakery flower. It does this every time I get a video. This Beauty Bakery flour setting powder. Now, I do not own Beauty Bakery flour at all. I've never purchased their flour, but I do have their bronzing palette and 2 eyeshadow palettes. I've used the bronzing palette. I love it. I've never used the eyeshadow palette. I have to pull it out and use it. But this powder I have in translucent. And it says that the setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. I'm very oily, so I'm glad I have this. I've seen a lot of raves about this. Just never had an opportunity to try it. And I never purchased it, but I'm glad it's in my box. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. I love a matte look. I'm a really oily girl, so I like for my looks to be like extremely matte. Not drying where it's uncomfortable, but I do like a matte skin because within 30 minutes, I'm getting oily all up in here, and especially around my nose area, and I find myself trying to blot throughout the day. So I'm looking forward to this setting powder and seeing how it performs on the skin. The next item I have is the Musky Vitamin E Infused Eye Serum. Yes, and yes. I can't rave enough about how I love to make sure my under eye area is not dried out and is hydrated before I apply any foundation. I love to make sure that my under eye is hydrated because sometimes it can be so dry that it can kind of become a little irritated and sore if you do a lot of rubbing up on it, because it's really sensitive. That's a really sensitive area on your face, is under your eye. So I'm excited about this Moisture Boost Vitamin Boost Feeding, Nourishing, and Firming Eye Cream. But it says that the delicate skin around the eyes, exactly, that's what I was just saying, is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. And I have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin, with a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect. This serum is ideal for all skin types. This retails for $63. I've never heard this brand before, but I'm definitely going to put this in, leave this on my vanity so I could take a shot at it possibly tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready for work. Then I'll let you guys know how it worked for me. I'm sorry, these allergies. I am super duper sorry. Can you hold a moment, guys? I have to take a sip. Oh my gosh. You like my mug? Coffee and mascara. Okay. Hopefully that cleared a little bit up. My next item is the Outre. I guess I pronounced that right. It's an 8-in-1 CBD leave-in conditioner. So it's for the hair. Oh, that's neat. It said this leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. It enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. Yes, I need this because my hair is so long. It stays detangled, it stays frizzy, and it stays all of the above. Let's just say that I'm needing it to fix. So when I do my hair in the morning, I may wash it today or this evening when I get off work, just to kind of see how this does on fresh hair, freshly washed hair. It said fine 3 mist, medium 5 mist, and thick 7 mist. So it's an actual spray. Oh, a hairspray, a conditioner hairspray. So, okay, so I have the thick hair. So I'm going to do the 7 mist on my hair. Let me say use me third on towel dry hair everywhere. This I will be trying out definitely, if not tomorrow, this weekend, to see how it performs on my hair. Now, the last item I have is the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. I love some lip oils. I love to apply lip oils on my lips at night when I'm sleeping. That way it hydrates my lips and they're not as dry in the morning when I wake up. But I love a good lip oil. But this lip oil, I've never heard of this brand, but this lip oil says that it's ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. Are you ready for a quick pamper session for your lips? Is what it says. Is a question, not a statement. But it says this hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduce appearance of lip lines. Now, my lips look perfectly fine to me as far as the lip lines without the oil, but I do love the oil for the hydration. The hydration, like I said, at night. And I like to apply lip oil and lip balms and stuff on my lips prior to applying any makeup to my eyebrows. Before I even start any routine, my lips are taken care of and moisture, like I said, with the oil or a lip balm, some type to keep them from drying out. Because when I'm using makeup wipes and stuff, I tend to wipe my face and it goes like on the out around my lip, and it will dry out from the products and stuff that are in the wipes or in the micellar water, whatever it is I'm using on my face. So I'm looking forward to this lip oil, and I like I said, I love lip oils. So that is what I received in my base box. Again, like I said, I'm looking forward to my premium box. I do not know what to expect, but I do know I already have, I'm just going to say the orange palette. I don't know the name of it, but I have the orange palette already by Anastasia. I'm hoping I receive that purple palette. That way I don't have to give it away. But if I have to give it away, I'm going to give it away to my daughter. She does makeup. She's not into it as much as I am, like she used to be. But this is where I get the inspiration from her about doing makeup and ordering so much stuff and just kind of just planning it just to play it. But if I receive that orange one, I'll send it right on over to her. But if I receive that purple one, I would love it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my Boxycharm unboxing. I have, like I said, the premium coming, and I'll be sure to share with you guys what I received in that box. And again, my norm, if you haven't done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe and become a part of my YouTube family. And I look forward to you in my next video. Goodbye.